मैदान में हारा हुआ इंसान फिर से जीत सकता है, लेकिन मन से हारा हुआ इंसान कभी नहीं जीत सकता। पानी में गिरने से किसी की मृत्यु नहीं होती। मृत्यु तभी होती है जब तैरना नहीं आता। परिस्थितियाँ कभी समस्या नहीं बनती। समस्या तभी बनती है जब उनसे निपटना नहीं आता। MCQs on acid, bases and salt. Acid is the substance that A. accepts electron, B. provides electron, C. gives protons, D. OH gives ion. Question number 2. Consume is the substance which A. gives proton, B. proton eclipses, C. gives electrons, D. electron pair. Question number 3. Acid and gas are made by reacting A. acid, B. salts, C. ester, D. alcohol. Question number 4 is formed in a neutral verb. A. acid, B. consumed, C. salts, D. salts and water. Question number 5. What is used to test acid and gas? A. litmus letter, B. cobalt letter, C. ammonia letter, D. none. Question number 6. Turns blue letter to red. A. acid, B. consumed, C. base, D. salts. Question number 7. Red makes the letter blue. A. acid, B. consumed, C. salts, D. none. Question number 8. Water soluble S is called A. acid, B. alkali, C. salts, D. none of them. Question number 9. Which of the following is the correct statement? A. Alkali has a metal-like smoothness. B. Alkali turns red litmus blue. C. All alkali are consumed but not all S is consumed. D. All of the above. Question number 10. All acids dissolve in water and provides A. OH negative ion, B. H positive ion, C. electron, D. neutron. Question number 11. Divorce taste. A. saline, B. sour, C. sweet, D. tasteless. Question number 12. Which anion is in aqueous solution of S? A. H positive, B. H negative, C. OH negative, D. OH positive. Question number 13. All salts are A. not electrically decomposed, B. electrically decomposed, C. permanent decomposition, D. stoic. Question number 14. Who determined pH? A. Lavoisier, B. Priestley, C. Cavendish, D. Sorensen. Question number 15. The value of hydrogen ion concentration in pure water is A. 10 to the power minus 7, B. 10 to the power minus 5, C. 10 to the power minus 10, D. 10 to the power minus 14. Question number 16. Acidic solution has a pH value of A. 7, B. less than 7, C. over 7, D. 14. Question number 17. Alkali solution has pH value A. less than 7, B. over 7, C. 0, D. 7. Question number 18. The neutral solution has a pH value of A. less than 7, B. over 7, C. 7, D. 14. Question number 19. Which gases are released by reacting with all the acid metals? A. hydrogen, B. nitrogen, C. oxygen, D. chlorine. Question number 20. Normal person's blood has pH value A. 5.0, B. 6.4, C. 7.4, D. 8.0. Question number 21. Milk has pH A. 6.1, B. 6.6, C. 7.4, D. 8. Question number 22. Hydrochloric acid is stronger than acetic acid because A. it has less number of hydrogen ions, B. it is completely ionized to produce H plus ion, C. it contains chlorine, D. it contains oxygen. Question number 23. The salts which are produced from acidic hydrogen atoms or hydroxyl ions are called A. common salts, B. acid salts, C. affected salts, D. mixed salts. Question number 24. Which of the following is not a normal salts? A. Na2SO4, B. NaHSO4, C. NaPSO4, D. CaSO4. Question number 25. Example of complex salt is A. K4 FeCN6, B. K2Hg14, C. AgNH3 2, D. All. Question number 26. The Mohr salt. The Mohr is salt. A. Simple salts, B. Hybrid salts, C. Double salts, D. Complex salts. Question number 27. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer from the code given below the list. List 1, list 2. List 1. A. Common salt, B. Acidic salt, C. Alkaline salts, D. Dual salts. List 2. 1. Alum, B. Barium chloride, 3. Sodium bicarbonate, 4. Ferric hydroxide. Option A. A3, B2, C4, D2. Option B. A2, B3, C4, D1. Option C. A2, B2, C1, D4. Option D. A1, B2, C3, D4. Question number 28. Which of the following statement is correct? A. Acids are sour in taste and give H positive ions. B. Acids are sour in taste and give OH positive ions. C. The alkali flavor is bitter and give OH negative ions. Option A 1 3, option B 1 2, option C 2 3, option D 1 2 3. Question number 29. Hydrogen is an essential component of all amino. Who the first to say? A. Arrhenius, B. Bronzed, C. Dei, D. Lowry. Question number 30. The salt that absorbs water is called A. Hygroscopic salts, B. Anhydrous salts, C. Hydrophilic salts, D. Hydrophobic salts. Question number 31. The pH of fresh milk is pH 6. When it becomes sour, then its pH will be less than 6, B. Remains same as 6, C. Becomes greater than 6, D. Becomes indifferent, that is 7. Question number 32. pH indicates A. In the chemical used to make photographs from negative, B. The value of a solution being acidic or alkaline, C. Earthquake intensity assessment, D. Rate of purity of milk. Question number 33. Aqueous solution of ammonium chloride is A. Acidic, B. Alkaline, C. Nostalgic, D. Colored. Question number 34. The solution of test tubes filled with H2O and aqueous NaOH can be distinguished A. by red litmus, B. by blue litmus, C. Na2CO3, D. by aqueous HCl. Question number 35. Which of the following are acidic salts? A. HClO, B. AgBr, C. HFN, D. H2CO3. Question number 36. Which of the following salts of aqueous solution turns red litmus blue? A. N2CO3, B. NaHCO3, C. Na2CO3.10H2O, D. All. Question number 37. Which instrument is used to test the acidity of aqueous solution? A. Hygrometer, B. acidimeter, C. pH meter, D. M meter. Question number 38. Human blood has pH A. less acidic, B. more acidic, C. less alkaline, D. more alkaline. Question number 39. pH value of pure water is A. 0, B. 1, C. 7, D. 14. Question number 40. Acid is the substance that A. accepts electron, B. provides electrons, C. gives protons, D. OH gives ion. I hope you will like it. Thanks for watching.